Do you know these three common expressions in English? Number one, a shot in the dark. If something is a shot in the dark, it means that you're just guessing because the outcome is unknown. I honestly can't believe I got that right. My answer was a total shot in the dark. Number two, a close shave. If you describe something as a close shave, it means that you narrowly escaped a bad situation, maybe even a potentially dangerous situation. I had a close shave on my way to work today. I almost got in a car accident. And number three, on its last legs. If something is on its last legs, it means it's about to break or give out. This computer is over 10 years old. It's on its last legs. Let me know what other expressions you're curious about and drop them in the comments. All right, I'll see you next time.